To the recent files section on My Files app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open My Files app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap edit menu layout, and then select recent files. To see the result, tap the packet twice. As you can see, now you have recent file section that displays a list of files that were recently accessed, edited, or downloaded. Given to the function, you can show recent file section on My Files app, so you can easily find and open files you've been working on without you have to search through folders. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.